Hey guys, it's Kilby Browne.
And Marizete Browne.
We are the Property House New York City team downtown showing New York City rental apartments. If you want to rent an apartment in New York City, you need to have your documents organized. So let's go through this really quick, guys. Number one, letter from your employer stating position, salary, and length of employment, and opportunities for bonuses. Number two, your last 2 pay stubs. Number three, last 2 years of tax returns. And number four, your last 2 months bank statements. 5, contact information from previous landlords. 6, verification of assets. 7, photo ID. And why do you need all these documents prepared before you look at apartments, Marizete?
Because if you don't have all these documents ready, even before you start looking, you may lose the place that you want. Be ready, get ready, and let's go find you a nice place.
Let's do this quickly, right?
Yes.
Have a great day. Hats off to you. Bye-bye.